So, இவ்வளோ நேரம் we were dealing with theory, Venn diagram, alphabets, numbers இதெல்லாம் பார்த்தாச்சு. இப்போ we are going to deal with practical problems on union and intersection. அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? நம்ம டே டு டே லைஃப்ல செட்ஸ் எப்படி யூஸ் ஆகுது? How are we using sets in our day to day life? அதுதானே ரொம்ப முக்கியம். நம்ம எதுக்கு படிக்கிறோம்னு தெரியணும்ல. எதுக்கு படிக்கிறோம்னே தெரியாம அப்புறம் எதுக்கு படிச்சுக்கிட்டு. So we are going to see why and how this is useful in your day to day life. Sets. Okay? So இப்போ first you have to know a few formulas. Okay, so what are the formulas? You have A union B, but அதோட formula என்ன? So for example, you have the universal set. Okay, inside that I have A and I have B, but they are not joined together. So this is going to be my A and this is going to be my B. So what happens? N of, what do you see here? N of A union B is N of A plus N of B. அப்படின்னா அர்த்தம் இந்த இடத்துல they have given A intersection B is a null set, which means there is no intersection between them. In the இடத்துல I see intersection, right? So here there is no intersection between them. So which means N of A union B is going to be N of A plus N of B. This is applicable only for disjoint sets. Okay, only when A intersection B is a null set. Okay, so if suppose in the mari null set illama, what happens when your diagram is like this? Okay, what happens when A intersection B is not a null set? So if A intersection B is not equal to null set na enartham, you have a universal set and you have A and you have B and they have some intersection, correct? So this is going to be my intersection, A intersection B irukapodhu. What is this going to be? It is going to be A minus B, correct? A minus B na enartham, only A and not B, you remember? And this part is going to be B minus A, which means only B and not A, correct? So this is going to be my universal set. Idu A, idu B. So what happens to my A union B? N of A union B is going to be N of A minus B plus N of A intersection B plus N of B minus A. Do you agree? I'm going to shade the regions that I just told you. N of A minus B is going to be this particular part. N of A intersection B is going to be this part. N of B minus A is going to be this part. So this is going to be my A union B. Correct? So this is going to be my A union B. But what formula do you see here? Here I see N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. So in the formula நம்ம எப்படி கொண்டு வரது? What am I going to do? So first of all, what is my N of A? N of A is going to be N of A minus B plus N of A intersection B. Correct? The region that is shaded in purple and pink. So it is going to be N of A minus B plus N of A intersection B. Similarly, N of B is going to be N of A intersection B plus N of B minus A. Correct? You see that? Region shaded in pink and region shaded in grey. So this is going to be my N of A and N of B. So if according to the formula, I have N of A union B equals N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. So can we check if this is true? எதனால இது true? I'm going to write this for you. So N of A என்ன? From this I have N of A minus B plus N of A intersection B plus what is my N of B? It is going to be N of A intersection B plus N of B minus A and I'm going to subtract N of A intersection B. So I'm going to subtract N of A intersection B. Okay, so what happens now? இப்போ என்ன ஆகுது? I have N of A minus B plus N of A intersection B plus this N of A intersection B and this N of A intersection B will get cancelled plus N of B minus A. So is this correct? இதுதான் நமக்கு இந்த ஸ்டெப்ல வந்திருக்கு. I have N of A minus B, region shaded in purple. So this is N of A minus B, then region shaded in pink. This is going to be N of A intersection B and region shaded in grey. So this is going to be N of B minus A. So அதுதான் நம்ம இந்த ஸ்டெப்ல பண்ணிருக்கோம். Okay, so basically you have to subtract this N of A intersection B. Why? Because N of A la என்ன included? N of A la I have A minus B plus A intersection B. So in the இடத்துல this intersection is getting added. When you are calculating N of B, again the same intersection is getting added twice. So in the area நம்ம ரெண்டு வாட்டி add பண்றோம். You see that we are adding this particular intersecting area twice. So you have to subtract it once. So that's why we are subtracting it here. So what is your final formula? Your final formula is going to be n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. Your n of a plus your n of b minus the intersection, because you are adding it twice. Okay, clear? Okay, now what happens when you have three elements? இப்போ மூணு element இருந்ததுன்னா என்ன பண்றது? n of a union b union c, it is going to be this particular formula. We will see how. I have it in the next page. So when I draw the diagram for you, diagram la enna varudhu? I have a universal set. I have three different circles. So how do you draw three different circles? You should draw something like this. So this is A, B and C. Okay. So இப்போ n of A union B union C பண்ண போறோம். So you need to find out what this is. What did we see in the previous one? N of A union B equals n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Correcta? இப்போ இந்த formulaவை use பண்ணி தான் we are going to find what it is for n of A union B union C. Okay. Now n of A union B union C, I am going to take this as A itself and this is going to be my D nu vechukren. So I have n of A union D. So I have n of A union D equals n of A plus n of D minus n of A intersection D. Correct? But what is my D? I am going to write what my D is. In that D enna potiruken? B union C potiruken. Correct? So I have n of A plus n of B union C minus n of A intersection. What is my D? It is going to be B unions. Clear? First step na enna pannan theriyudha? I am just clubbing these two terms. B union C, I am writing it as D. Now I have two variables. A union D irukku. I am applying the formula that we learned here. Okay? Clear? Idu varaikum purinjudha? N of A plus n of D ku badala I am writing n of B union C. Then I have A intersection D, which is B union C. Okay? Now n of A stays the same plus இப்போ n of B union C, again the same formula. So I have n of B plus n of C minus their intersection. So B intersection C. So இது வரைக்கும் முடிஞ்சதா? Minus I have this particular term now. So I have n of A intersection B union C. Okay. Now how do you split this term? I am going to write this particular term for you separately. What do I have? N of A intersection B union C. So இது split பண்ணா என்ன ஆகும்? N of A intersection B union A intersection C. A intersection C. So this is your distributive property. Correct? Now you have N of A intersection B union N of A intersection C. So this I am going to take this as P and this I am going to take it as Q. So again I have N of P union Q. This split பண்ணா என்ன ஆகும்? N of P plus N of Q minus n of P intersection Q. Correct? Same formula. அதே two variable use பண்ற அதே formula. So what will I be left with? I will have n of, what is my P? A intersection B plus n of Q என்ன? N of A intersection C minus n of P intersection Q. So it is going to be A intersection B intersection A intersection C. Okay? So this is simply going to be n of A intersection B plus n of A intersection C minus n of A intersection B intersection A intersection C another A intersection B intersection C. It is going to be simply the intersections of all the three sets. So இது apply பண்ணா என்ன ஆக போகுது? What will I have? What will be my final answer? N of A union B union C will be this particular set. N of A plus N of B plus N of C. So இது basic. Minus I have, what do I have here? N of B intersection C minus in the particular term ku badala I am going to write what I found out here. Okay, so this is going to be, I am going to open the bracket because I have a minus here. So I have n of A intersection B plus n of A intersection C minus n of A intersection B intersection C. Okay, so what will be my answer now? N of A union B union C, close the bracket here, equals n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of B intersection C. I'm going to multiply the minus inside. இது உள்ள ஒரு term multiply பண்ணிட்டு வந்தா I'll have minus n of A intersection B minus n of A intersection C plus இந்த மைனஸும் இந்த மைனஸும் சேர்ந்ததுன்னா I'll have plus. So I have plus n of A intersection B intersection C. Okay. So what happens now? What is my final answer? N of A plus n of B minus plus n of C minus, I am going to subtract the intersection pairs. So n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of A intersection C. But remember, you have to add the common A intersection B intersection C. From the diagram, what do you see? I'm going to continuously keep shading the parts. So I have n of A. Okay, it is going to be this part. Then n of B enna? It is again going to be this part. N of C enna? It is going to be this part. Okay. See that the common intersection parts are getting added twice. So அதை subtract பண்ணணுமா? So I'm going to subtract the intersections. So here I'm going to subtract A intersection B. இது வந்து B intersection C. And this is going to be A intersection C. But what do I also see? I am also subtracting this middle part. You see here, this middle part is getting subtracted from everything 3 times. So I have to add this part. So when I add this part, that is this particular term. The last term over here. Okay. Please copy.